Galaxy S25. I'm going to do the back glass replacement of this device. It should be pretty easy as always with a Samsung Galaxy device. The first thing that I'm going to do is to heat the back glass of this device. I'm using the maximum heat output of this heat gun and 50% air output, and I heated for 1 minute and 1 second. The first issue that I encountered was the suction cup not grabbing on the back glass. Since the back glass is badly broken, it cannot work with the suction cup like normal. So I had to use a blade in order to create a small gap between the broken back glass and the frame of the device. And while doing this, I was very careful not to scratch the frame of this Galaxy S25. I started to add some tape on the back of the device in order to avoid having a bunch of broken glasses on top of my table. This is a little bit of a measure in order to minimize the broken glasses all over the place. So at this point, the phone was already a little bit too cold, so I had to reheat the phone again in order to continue the removal process of this back glass. You can do this for less than 30 seconds and using the same settings that you used before. Do not forget that you're not going to use anything on this back glass again, so you can use brute force in order to pull the back glass and remove the back glass more easily and faster. I did hit the side where I was moving with the guitar pick before moving the guitar pick on that area to separate the back glass from the frame of the device. So the back glass has been completely removed, detached from the frame of this S25. So it is time to work on the new back glass before we do the installation. Here's the new back glass that I'm going to install. The first thing that I did was to apply some pressure on the double-sided tape so that it sticks firmly on the back of this back glass. Then after that, I removed the plastic covering the camera lenses. Then I removed the main plastic covering double-sided tape. So the next step was to heat a little bit the back glass. I decided to heat the double-sided tape in order to have it a little bit warm and more sticky before I do the installation on the device. Right after that, I blew some air on the camera lenses area in order to push away all the dust that may have been accumulated on the camera lenses. Then right after that, I started the installation of the back glass on the Galaxy S25. Okay, make sure that you start with the top of the device in order to align everything properly. Then you do the bottom of the device, then start applying pressure on all four corners of the device to make sure that everything is aligned and the back glass is fully seated on the frame of this Galaxy S25. You can start applying some pressure with your finger for the back glass to stick even more on the frame of the device. Then I decided to add some repair clamps for 20 minutes. 10 to 20 minutes of repair clamp pressure on the device. Then after that, I can remove everything and call it done. Glass replacement on this S25 was relatively easy. You simply need to remove the back glass, prepare the new back glass, and do the installation of the new back glass, and it is done.